I'm the Urban Rajah and I am on a mission to spice up the food that we all love. Lee,
Hello,
Big
mate.
Dog Dawson, how are you, buddy?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm all right.
That is some tash you got there. I wasn't expecting any tash competition today.
The thing is, right, the tide has gone out here, so we have to make up for it elsewhere.
We share the same. We share the same barber, mate. We share the same barber.
So I want to know what makes like the best pizza, because your pizzas are immense.
For me, what makes a great pizza is something that holds up the toppings. There's nothing worse when you get a pizza.
Yeah.
It's not baked through. It's got no crisp. And what I say is it's got to be stiff to the tip. Always. It's a 4-flour blend that gives me that bake that I need.
Look at that. So what's in that 4-flour kind of mix? Are you going to dish?
I could never tell you that. Like, you'd never get out of here alive.
Oh my goodness. How do you turn such simple ingredients into heaven?
That's what we do at the doghouse. What can I say?
This has given me an idea. I'm coming back. Yum.
Smashed it.
So, I've been to see Lee Big Dog Dawson, right? So that got me thinking, if I could take my son's favourite food, pizza, calzone, and I could take something like my Nani Ma's butter chicken, and if we put that together with a calzone, folded pizza, oh my goodness, just how lush would that be? So I'm not going to walk through every gram for this recipe because you can pick that up from the recipe book on the YouTube channel. So all of that gets mixed in. This little marinade is going to just tenderize that chicken. So it's so that now goes into the fridge. You could kind of marinate it overnight if you wanted, but if you're really hungry, you don't want to wait that long, you know, kind of an hour, you'll get by with an hour. Now we've got to make a really, really luscious butter chicken sauce. So think of this as like the pizza base, and it's got so many similarities. We take onions, we take garlic, we take tomatoes, and that's what we're looking for, this kind of smooth, kind of silky, creamy base. I'm going to use some ginger and garlic paste, and look, the reason I'm using the paste is because this is bang full of flavour, and we're going to pulp this down into a sauce anyway. So this is quick, it's really convenient. I've never done this before, right? So you just got to try new things because that is where the magic happens. That is the future of Indian food. It's where we take global flavours, boom, we put them together, and then you end up with something that you never thought you could have. All of those ingredients make friends in the pan. Oh my goodness, you get this hit of like ginger and the garlic and the onions all mingling together. Now I'm going to go in with some garam masala, like a really lovely woody scent. Garam masala, it's like the king, the blend of spices when it comes to Indian food, but it does all the hard work for you because you don't have to add cinnamon separately. You don't have to add cumin, cloves, all of those other separate ingredients. That's what goes into garam masala. This is starting to come together really beautifully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some tomato puree. That goes in. Now when you look at it at this point, you think, how on earth is that going to be our calzone base? Well, what we're going to do is when that's kind of cooked through, we add that to a little bit of chicken stock. Then we're going to blend it. Now look, you can use a veg stock or something like that, and if you didn't want to use chicken for butter chicken, but you wanted to use something like a paneer or something like that, or a tofu, you could do. And that's how we get a luscious kind of sauce. Look at that. That's just going to start to heat through. But you can see just how wonderfully, look how silky that is. That is insane. Chicken's been marinating. Let's get that out. So into the pan goes our chicken. Right, that's got to cook for about 15 minutes or so. So we've got Lee Big Dog Dawson's dough in the house. So what I'm going to do is just spread out the dough, kind of pushing out from the edges because I don't want it to be too thin in the middle. It's got to hold our luscious butter chicken. Gotta get your hands in there. Gotta feel these ingredients as well. And if you can combine Indian food with Italian classics, that is 21st century alchemy. This is ready to take our butter chicken. Okay. But there's one thing that's missing. How can you make butter chicken without any butter? It's on a low heat, but you can see it's melting all the way through. Okay.
Is that enough butter then?
Do you think I should pop some more in?
Yeah.
Do you? Let's go for it. We need a little bit of gorgeous gooiness, some mozzarella. So I'm going to just throw that over the top. Some toasted almonds. Why? Because I just love the texture and the taste of toasted almonds. And traditionally, it's kind of what I would scatter our butter chicken curry with. And then fresh coriander. Oh my goodness, that is the best herb on the planet. Next, egg wash. Fold over to make a nice little parcel. And then we're going to pinch and crimp the edges of our calzone and scatter over the top some little black sesame seeds, or you could use onion seeds. Whatever I've got in the kitchen, I'm going with. There we go. That is my butter chicken calzone. Can we get it in your oven?
100%. Looks amazing.
Let's do it. Curried pizza. I mean, is there a place for that?
I think there is room for everything on pizza.
Really?
Other than pineapple.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Never go pineapple on pizza.
Got everything you're
I'm
going to want.
super excited. Right, okay.
Oh, look at that.
I love that. Come
Look
on.
at that. A wood-fired char. Beautiful.
We've got to dig into this, haven't we?
Oh, 100%.
Right?
Let's come in with the Viking axe.
The...
There's only one
My
way of doing
word.
it.
I'm standing back. Oh, it's that crunch. It's the texture. And it's the gooiness.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my word.
It smells amazing. Here we go.
Honestly. Seriously, up high.
Mate, that is unreal.
Seriously.
That is unreal. That is beautiful.
I've got to have a go.
Get in there.
You know what I was really excited by is I wanted to get all of that mozzarella and then the herbs and the chilies and kind of that gooiness of the butter chicken. What do you think?
The spice is beautiful.
Does it
that
work?
Spice, you've got a nice little kick, sits on the tongue. Get that after heat as well, which is lovely. That is amazing.
Oh my word. I'm telling you, no one is in the doghouse if you're cooking this kind of stuff.
100%.